Hey, buddy.
Oh. Y'all
Hey, buddy.
Y'all don't want me out. Y'all don't want me out. Yeah, y'all have. Yeah, y'all don't want the baby out. Yeah.
But he's not crying very strong.
Oh, he will.
Most of them get to screaming.
Yeah, he's tired. All that pushing. What time you said again, Lauren?
15:59.
15:59.
3:59.
I will get the silver.
Anna was born at 3:58. He was born almost the same time you were. I think yours was 3:58.
He was born on the day that Joey asked me out 2 years ago,
Well.
and I told him no.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Goodness gracious. Yeah.